this button, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a buzzing coming from my ceiling. What should happen when I click that button is my fan from my bathroom should come on. But it stopped working some time ago and I've just been too lazy to do anything about it until today. So I'm gonna go up there, figure out what's going on inside that little box and figure out if we can repair it or if I need to replace it. Come on. First things first, did you try unplugging it and plugging it back in?